The High Court has shown its resentment over the decision of Mapsa Municipal Council to withdraw the show cause notices issued to the parties related with illegal hoardings in that area. Mapsa Municipal Council has submitted before the High Court that earlier total 18 show cause notices were issued to the alleged illegal hoarding owners and the parties, and only one illegal hoarding was demolished. But later on, after giving the hearing, the chief officer withdrawn the show cause notices issued to 14 parties. Unhappy with the decision, the High Court has observed that it seems that it is virtually the permission to the illegal hoardings to remain there forever. Now the High Court has listed this matter on 29th July for further hearing, giving an opportunity to all those 14 parties if they want to file any reply by then. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.